5 Facts about passion fruits. Passion fruit is a tropical fruit grown all over the world. It has a hard, colorful rind and juicy, seed-filled center. Purple and yellow varieties are the most common. Raw passion fruit is 73% water, 23% carbohydrates, 2% protein, and 1% fat. In a 100-gram reference amount, raw passion fruit supplies 97 calories, and is a rich source of vitamin C and a moderate source of riboflavin, niacin, iron, and phosphorus. No other micronutrients are in significant content. Passion fruit is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Calorie for calorie, it's a nutrient-dense fruit. Passion fruit is rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber. Diets high in these nutrients have been linked to a lower risk of conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Passion fruit peel supplements may have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They may benefit people with asthma and osteoarthritis, but more research is required. Passion fruit is extremely versatile. You can eat it on its own or add it to drinks, desserts, and yogurt. It can also be used to make delicious salad dressings. It's low in calories and high in nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which make passion fruit an excellent addition to a healthy, balanced diet. It's known to have calming properties, and it's used as a sleeping aid, to calm nerves and relieve anxiety. So if you're feeling edgy, try it for a few days and see. Brazil is the world's largest producer and consumer of passion fruit, both fresh and processed. The passion fruit was first introduced to Europe in 1553. Its name comes from a family of passion flowers, Passiflora. In Portuguese it's called maracujá. Technically it's a berry and one fruit has only 17 calories. The dark seeds are crunchy but edible. Passion fruits can be divided into 4 main types: purple passion fruit, yellow passion fruit, sweet granadilla, giant granadilla. The most popular varieties are purple and yellow. Purple ones are smaller but sweeter and are more commonly found here in the US. Yellow ones are more sour and larger, and they're Brazilians' favorite. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.